Listen up, you lot. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey. Welcome back to eGreen Channel to our 7-day plant-based meal plan for weight loss and energy. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle change that will leave you feeling more vibrant and energetic. We're ditching the tired excuses and diving headfirst into a life filled with vibrant, delicious, and bloody nutritious food. Imagine a week where every meal is a celebration of flavors and health. Over the next 7 days, I'm going to be your guide, your mentor, your culinary drill sergeant, if you will. Together, we'll explore the endless possibilities of plant-based cooking. We're going to transform your kitchen into a powerhouse of plant-based goodness. You'll learn how to create meals that are not only healthy but also incredibly satisfying. No more limp lettuce and flavorless tofu. We're going to elevate your meals with bold flavors and exciting textures. We're talking bold flavors, exciting textures, and meals so satisfying they'll make you wonder why you haven't gone plant-based before. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Today we're kicking things off with a recipe that's bursting with freshness and packed with energy-boosting ingredients. It's the perfect way to start our journey. It's a simple, yet delicious quinoa salad with avocado and chickpeas that's perfect for lunch, dinner, or a hearty snack. This dish is not only nutritious, but also incredibly easy to prepare. Welcome to our 7-day plant-based meal plan for weight loss and energy. Let's get started and make this week a turning point in your journey to better health. All right, you Muppets, let's get this show on the road. Today we're diving into a vibrant and nutritious quinoa salad that's going to knock your socks off. First things first, we need to cook our quinoa. This is the foundation of our salad, so we want to get it just right. Now, quinoa, for those of you who've been living under a rock, is a fantastic grain. It's not just any grain, it's a superfood that has been cultivated for thousands of years. It's packed with protein, fiber, and a whole host of other nutrients. It's gluten-free and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can use it in salads, soups, as a side dish, or even in desserts. Now, I want you to grab a saucepan and add 2 cups of water. This is the perfect ratio for cooking quinoa. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. This will ensure that the quinoa cooks evenly and absorbs the water properly. Once it's bubbling away nicely, add a cup of rinsed quinoa, a pinch of salt, and give it a good stir. Rinsing the quinoa removes its natural coating called saponin, which can make it taste bitter. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This gentle simmering will allow the quinoa to cook through without becoming mushy. You'll know it's ready when the quinoa has absorbed all the water and those little spirals appear. These spirals are the germ of the seed, which separates slightly when the quinoa is cooked. While the quinoa is working its magic, let's move on to the rest of our ingredients. Freshness is key here, so make sure your veggies are top-notch. We've got some gorgeous ripe avocados here. These will add a creamy texture and a rich flavor to our salad. Now, when you're choosing avocados, you want them to be firm, but with a slight give when you gently press them. This indicates that they're perfectly ripe. Avoid any avocados that are rock hard or overly mushy. The former will be underripe, and the latter overripe, neither of which is ideal for our salad. Take your avocado and carefully cut it in half lengthwise, rotating the knife around the pit. This method ensures you get 2 clean halves. Now give it a good whack with the sharp edge of your knife, twist, and separate the 2 halves. This is the easiest way to remove the pit without making a mess. To remove the pit, carefully wedge the tip of your knife into it and twist. The pit should come out easily, leaving you with 2 perfect avocado halves. The pit should pop right out. If it doesn't, you can use a spoon to gently pry it out. Now scoop out the avocado flesh with a spoon and dice it into bite-sized pieces. This will make it easier to mix into our salad. Don't be shy, get stuck in there. The more evenly you dice the avocado, the better it will distribute throughout the salad. We want those beautiful green cubes in our salad. They add not only flavor, but also a lovely color contrast. Next up, we've got some lovely chickpeas. These legumes are a great source of protein and fiber. Now you can use canned chickpeas for convenience. Just make sure you drain and rinse them thoroughly. This removes any excess sodium and improves their texture. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can cook them from scratch. It takes a bit longer, but the flavor is worth it. Simply soak them overnight and then simmer until tender. It takes a bit longer, but the flavor is worth it. Freshly cooked chickpeas have a creamier texture and a richer taste. For this salad, we're going to use a can of chickpeas. It's quick, easy, and still delicious. Drain and rinse them well, making sure to remove any loose skins. These skins can be a bit tough and detract from the overall texture of the salad. We want our salad to be full of flavor, not bits of chickpea skin. Clean, well-rinsed chickpeas will blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Now, let's add some freshness and crunch with a cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and add a lovely crisp texture. Give it a good wash and trim off the ends. This ensures that any dirt or pesticides are removed. You can peel it if you like, but I prefer to leave the skin on for added texture and nutrients. The skin contains fiber and vitamins that are beneficial to our health. Dice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces, just like we did with the avocado. This will ensure that every bite of salad has a bit of crunch. To add a burst of sweetness and color, we're using cherry tomatoes. These little gems are packed with flavor and antioxidants. They also add a beautiful pop of color to our salad. Simply wash them and cut them in half or quarters depending on their size. This will make them easier to eat and distribute their flavor throughout the salad. Now let's bring all of our prepared ingredients together in a large bowl. This is where the magic happens. We've got our perfectly cooked quinoa, creamy avocado, hearty chickpeas, crunchy cucumber, and juicy cherry tomatoes. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture to the mix. This salad is already a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors and varied textures make it as beautiful as it is delicious. But we're not done yet. We need to bring all these flavors together with a delicious dressing. To elevate this salad to new heights of deliciousness, we're going to make a simple yet flavorful dressing. A good dressing can make or break a salad. In a small bowl, whisk together a tablespoon of olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a grind of black pepper. This dressing is light, zesty, and complements the salad perfectly. Drizzle this dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Make sure every ingredient is coated in that zesty goodness. This will ensure that each bite is flavorful and delicious. And for the finishing touch, sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the top. Parsley adds a fresh, herbaceous flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a fresh, herbaceous flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. It's the perfect finishing touch. There you have it. Our quinoa salad with avocado and chickpeas is ready to be devoured. This salad is a symphony of textures and flavors. With the creamy avocado, hearty chickpeas, crunchy cucumber, and juicy cherry tomatoes all coming together in perfect harmony. Each bite is a delightful mix of flavors and textures. The quinoa provides a satisfying base, while the lemon dressing adds a bright and zesty kick. The dressing ties all the ingredients together, making each bite a burst of flavor. And the fresh parsley on top adds a final touch of freshness. It not only looks beautiful, but also enhances the overall flavor of the salad. This salad is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It's a complete meal that provides everything your body needs. It's the perfect meal to fuel your body and mind. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch or a light dinner, this salad has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and whip up a batch of this delicious and nutritious salad. It's easy to make and even easier to enjoy. Your taste buds will thank you for it. This salad is a true celebration of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Enjoy every bite. There you have it, you lot. A plant-based dish that's bursting with flavor, packed with vibrant colors and textures that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. This meal will not only leave you feeling energized and satisfied, but it will also nourish your body with essential nutrients. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. We can have it all: deliciousness, nutrition, and satisfaction. With a little creativity, you can transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Now don't be a lazy sod. Get in the kitchen and give this recipe a go. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you know you're making something that's good for you. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, where we'll be tackling another delicious and nutritious meal from our 7-day plant-based meal plan. Each day brings a new recipe that's easy to follow and packed with flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us improve our content. Stay tuned for the next meal in our 7-day plant-based meal plan. We promise it will be just as exciting and tasty as today's dish. Happy cooking and see you soon. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.